Hey everyone, welcome to MPV Vlogs. Hey everyone, my name is Mark Plant and this is MPV Vlogs. Thanks for coming in, I do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button down on the bottom, it really helps out the channel a lot. If you're already a subscriber, you know I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. You guys allow me to be able to do these videos. If you could, please hit the bell icon next to the subscribe button. It'll allow you to get notifications every time I put up a new video, just like this one. If you use a mobile device, just make sure that notifications are allowed. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below, let me know what you think. Let's go into the video. What we're basically going to do, I'm doing an unboxing today. A month or two ago, I had ordered some cordless phones for my house. Ordered them through Amazon and I got scammed. Not by Amazon. Amazon stood by the product, but when I got the products in, they were probably returned back, and whoever had ordered them before me stripped the parts off that they needed for their phone system and just sent it back. So they were missing batteries, they were missing charging cables and all that. So luckily I sent them back. Amazon gave me a full refund. They didn't give me any problems with it. So again, they did stand by their product, but it makes me a little leery of ordering products such as cordless phones. They're not widely available like they used to be. Not many people still have corded or landlines into their home. I do. The reason why we still have landlines in my home is where I live, the cell signal is not too dependable. Most times it's good, but there are times where we're not able to get a signal, so I want to have a landline just in case of an emergency. So, with ordering through Amazon last time, it left me a bad taste in my mouth. Worries me to order through them again. So this time here, I actually ordered through Walmart. It's the first time I've ever done an online order through Walmart. It was good, free shipping. I got it at my house within 2 days. So let's see what the product is inside, whether it's any better than what happened with Amazon. So let's open the box up. Exactly what I ordered. Box is in okay condition. See if this one was open too. But what I ordered was 4 handsets, AT&T Cordless phones. This is model EL52429. Right down here. Typical cordless phones. I just like having the satellite phones in the different rooms of my house, so especially down here in the workshop, because it's really difficult to hear the phone. So we're not going to use the answering system. We have that through our phone. Caller ID. Yeah, it's just basic stuff. So it comes with 1 base and 3 satellites. Supposed to have good range. Speakerphone on each handset. Supposed to have call blocking, but we all know that's garbage. I'm going to get the spam calls no matter what. Display is large. I mean, it's typical phones. Go through all everything here. Hopefully the range is better than the ones that I have now, because I got to be pretty close. If I step outside of my house, it ends up breaking up on me. So, let's open this up. Let's see what's inside. Let's hope that we didn't get ripped off again. Alright, let's take the box cutter. I hate these little things, but they're supposed to be scurried to show if it's been opened. I don't see any tear on the paper, but there are some bubbles in it, so that worries me. Open it up. We got our quick start guide. Set to the side, we'll use that in a little bit. We have handset 1, no battery compartment. Handset 2, no batteries in the compartment. No battery in the compartment. No battery in the compartment. Open the box up a little bit more. It does look like everything is factory sealed still, so I'm hoping. Okay, typical phone cord. That to the side. And this is one of the satellite bases. Ooh, and they're white. I thought they were silver. Okay, white satellite base. Doesn't make a difference to me. So we got 1. Oh, here we go. Here are the batteries and the covers. So we got 2. We got 4. Okay, so we got them all. Down on the bottom here, we got our second satellite base. Our third satellite base. Okay, and we don't need a 4th because the 4th is the answering machine. Wall mount, I guess this is for the answering machine. That would be this one here. Okay. Typical, you know, antenna on the side. And we have here 1 plug, 2 plugs, 3 plugs, and 4. Okay, so that wall mount is for, I guess you'd call it the hub, or I don't know what the technical term would be, if you want to hang this on the wall. Alright, so we got the 4 phones, we got the 4 plugs, and let's pop the batteries in the phones. It's fairly easy. You got the connector right here. Go to the back of the phone. Oh, is this connector? Oh, connector is right here. Okay, that gets plugged in like that. The phone goes here. I mean, the battery goes there in the phone. And then, oops, come on. Just clicks on like that. Okay, and as you can see, batteries have some power in them. Let's get those batteries in. Okay, so we got all the batteries in. And it's saying out of range because I haven't hooked up any the base. What was I calling it? The hub? It's actually called the base. So what we're going to do is we're going to switch over and we're going to hook up the base here to the main line. Let's go over. We got to go to a different camera for that one. Alright, we're going to set up the base now for the new phones. This is the old ones, VTech. I would not recommend them to anyone. They're absolutely horrible. Dropped calls. Calls weren't even coming through. It's an old phone. So that's probably part of it. So what we're going to do is we will hook up the new AT&T base. And it'll take place of this one here. So let me put you down for a second while I get the wires in position and just show you how to hook it up. It's really easy. Alright, so what I'm doing right now is taking off these stupid wire wraps that they have. I hate these things with a passion. So it's really simple. On the back here, yeah. On the back here, you have the jack. That just plugs in there. And then you take, come on, focus, that end of the phone, one end goes into the wall. The other end just snaps right in there. Plug that into the wall. And as you can see, the 0 comes on. Take the protective plastic off. Then we take the phone. We take protective plastic off of that. And pop it in there. Okay. Like I said, we don't need the answering machine, so I'm gonna...
Calls will not be answered.
I shut off the answering machine that way. And I think that's it. Okay, we'll let that charge for a little bit. Let me go over and I'm going to show you how to set up one of the satellites. Okay, like I said, I'm going to keep one of the satellites in the workshop here. So again, you got to take the cord. This is the simplest of simple. Well, for most people. I have familiar tremors. It's basically what they call them, which causes my hands to shake. And they shake quite a bit. And unfortunately, there's not much I can really do about it. You know, I've lived with it my whole life, so it just gets frustrating when I do something like this. But anyway, same thing pretty much. You get on the bottom there with a, just gets plugged in. Supposed to be like a little channel to put it through. It does not want to grab it. And it's supposed to go through down here. Phone goes like that. We go in the back here. I got power strip here. Probably not going to have it plugged in here, but as everything falls on me. Plug in the satellite. And we will take another one of the phones. Just take the cover right off. And we put it on the satellite. As you can see over here, it actually says I have a voicemail. Don't know how I could have a voicemail, but hey, saying I have a voicemail. Two voicemail. This is two voicemails? No, just one voicemail. And this is handset 2. What I'm going to do is off camera, since you saw this and it's really boring, not much to it, it's really simple. I'm going to go set up the other 2 handsets, and we'll come back down and we'll make sure that the phone line is working, and we'll check out any options that we may want to use with the phone. So I'll be back to you guys shortly. Alright everyone, so the phones are all hooked up. Let's I'm going to take my cell phone and make sure our phone call goes through. Call. There we go. Okay, so the calls go through. Everything's hooked up fine. I'm going to go through the owner's manual, the quick start guide there. Any other settings I have to set up. But these are nice. Like I said, I got these through Walmart. I tried buying some cordless phones through Amazon a month or 2 ago. And I got garbage. I got someone's return that they stripped what they needed and sent it back. So I was worried about ordering them online again. But through Walmart, it's great. It was a brand new package. Everything was factory sealed. So I know it wasn't a return. So I'm happy with that. And we got new cordless phones now. Hopefully these ones work and I don't have any problems with them. Wahoo. So yeah, like I said, it was really simple to hook these up. It doesn't take much. Any electronics today, usually everything connects on its own. You don't have to jump through hoops or anything like that. So it was nice and easy. So that was a quick video on how to set up these phones. If I have any problems, I'll make a video, document what the problem is. But so far, so good. They work pretty well. Alright, that's going to be it for this video. Thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. If you are new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button. It really does help out the channel. If you're already a subscriber, thank you. Allows me to do these videos. I do appreciate it. Hit that bell icon. That way you get a notification the next time that I put up a video. Make sure you hit the... if you're using a mobile device, make sure you allow notifications or you won't get the notification. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below, let me know what you think, and I'll be back to you guys again soon with a video.
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.